I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group reporting on the grain market. Today, soybeans jumped up. The futures rallied off a minor support level and really got ahead of steam, up almost 17.5 cents. With the stock market finally rebounding, and we kind of got a little more equilibrium that we can get back to our own business, and which is our fundamentals. And right now there still is some weather concerns in South America, and that's really getting the market up. And so now our target is really at $10. Some of the deferred months are already over that $10 mark, but for the March contract to get up over $10 is going to be our next goal. And certainly 15-cent rally, is a good start. And we're going to be watching that against the USDA report coming up on Thursday. Corn also rebounded. It had a new high, and it really sparked some new buying coming in. But there was some spillover buying coming from the soybeans, because what's happening in South America really will affect the corn market as well, almost in the same way. So they both really coming up. So that spillover really helped the market. And it certainly looks like that the corn is now in a new stratosphere, and we could see a little more short covering if the market continues to go up. Perhaps this rally ahead of the USDA report on Thursday definitely has everyone's eyes open. And wheat also rallied. Now, there was some short covering there coming up, of course, ahead of this report. And I think that there's a little bit of a scramble, because as the market started to go down, there was huge selling short positions in the wheat contract. And as it rallied, some of the funds were adding to the short position. But now that the market's starting to creep up again, I think it's got a few traders a little bit nervous that if these short positions need to, get cover and start to scramble to get some of these short positions back, it will send the market into a pretty strong rally. So, but the U.S. Supplies are still pretty plentiful right now, and I think that there was some idea that maybe that would be weighing on the markets. But we're getting close again to the area where we're going to find out really if there's some crop damage, and we did expect some snowfall in the southern plains, a little bit of the southern western plains that was actually expected to come yesterday, and that's why the market was down a little bit lower. But it didn't happen. They didn't really get the snowfall that we were looking for that would offer moisture upon the time that it would start melting. So again, there is some concerns about what the crop yield is going to be for the winter wheat. So all bets are off now, and so those numbers are still going to be up in the air. So we're going to be watching closely for the USDA report coming up on Thursday. That's all from the floor at the CME Group. I'm Virginia McGathey.